My name is Ben Modica. I'm the Environmental Services Manager at Swedish Covenant Hospital, and I've worked here 20 years. The Slim Jim Step-On has had such a big impact on the staff for efficiency. It's so much easier and faster for us to get the trash out. While the patient's sitting there, we can get in real quick. The staff has told me how easy it is to just press on the pedal and throw the waste in there without touching anything. What I like about the internal cinch is how easy it is to get the bag in and how it covers the bag where you don't see the bag hanging over the cans. It's important for the Slim Jim Step-Ons to fit in the tightest spaces because our rooms are small. It's so easy to fit it almost anywhere. Durability with the product is excellent. It's very important that we have color-coded containers in the hospital because everyone uses the waste cans. And it's good for the nursing staff also that they see that the red trash container would have the biohazard waste and the stainless steel container would have the regular waste. The quiet closing lid is very important because the housekeeping staff goes in to take the waste, they're not making noise and we're not disturbing the patient. I would recommend Rubbermaid commercial products for other facilities. It's great for space, it's easy to clean, and the staff really love it.